Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. We are in the kitchen today. That's an unusual place for me, but I do come to the kitchen. We have been cooking, as you can see here in the foreground, we have been making salsa. Now, I'm very particular about my salsa. I do not like salsa that's so screaming hot that you can't really taste the ingredients in it. And I also don't like it so vinegary that you can't taste the ingredients in it. I love a sweet salsa that has a hint of heat, and you can taste the onions and the garlic and all the different things that we put in it. I don't want one to overpower the other. I don't want it to be so tomatoey that I can't taste the onions in it. Now we have come up with a recipe here that works well for us. We actually done this batch. We tasted it before we cooked it really, and then we made the batch, and afterwards we let some of it cool after this come out, and we tasted it just to see when we do our second and third batch, because today's really just a canning marathon. We're just going to can salsa all day long. So we got 90 pounds of tomatoes that we've got to process, and we're making salsa with all of them. At Deep South Homestead, we've had some major setbacks with weather events and stuff like that, and our produce is not really produced like it normally does. We do have stuff, but it's not like we normally do. So we went to the U-Picket place, and we picked the tomatoes. We pulled some onions, because our onions, we didn't have enough this year to do everything we want to do. We picked a few peppers, a little bit of okra and different things like that. But we took the things that we got at the U-Pick plus some of our peppers, because we got some beautiful peppers, and we have made this salsa with it. Now, there was 3 of us in this process. I was just one of them. I was doing some of the peeling and some of the cutting up, some of the stirring of the pot, some of the checking the taste and stuff like that. As far as the actual formula for this salsa, really the mastermind behind it, I guess if you want to call it that, is Ms. Amanda from Freedom Acres. She's the one who kind of like came up with this recipe and kind of tweaked it a little bit to where it really fit what we all wanted here. I'm going to let Amanda talk to you about what's actually inside the recipe.
Hey y'all, I'm Amanda from Freedom Acres. Today we have been canning salsa. We have a big stock pot here. We did 40 pounds. We did this twice. So we have 40 pounds of tomatoes in here that we steamed to get the skins off. We chopped up, we quartered, chopped up. We strained those in cheesecloth to get as much liquid out as possible, because we don't want it to be runny. We also didn't want to have to add a thickener, so we figured that was the best way to go. We put it in the pot, and we added 6 cups of onions, 8 cups of peppers, 4 cloves of garlic, a cup of apple cider vinegar. We added 7 heaping tablespoons of sugar, 3 of salt, and 2 teaspoons of pepper. We mix this, we let it come to a boil, we're stirring constantly, and then once it comes to a boil, you want it to go for about 20 minutes before you ladle them into your jars. Today we're pressure canning. You can water bath salsa, but today we were pressure canning. We just feel like there's a little extra safety there. We're doing quarts today, and we are pressure canning those at 10 pounds of pressure for 15 minutes. Today was really a group effort. Everybody played a part. We had one of us in every spot. So one of us was doing dishes, one was stirring, one was chopping, one was peeling tomatoes. We all had a part to play. Even Sunshine, my little girl, has helped. She ran back and forth and picked up onions and brought in here to us. She put the tomatoes in a big bowl for us to carry to the kitchen because we had them in another room. So she was really helpful too, and it really took all of us to get this done today. We did this twice, so we are about to get this going again. We expect it to be probably 5 canner loads, 4 canner loads, 5 canner loads, we're not sure yet. But it takes a lot of people, so community is everything. If you are trying to feed a lot of people, or you want to put up something for a whole year's worth in a day, you need friends.